New Mexico requires its own official form, the MVD 10009 Bill of Sale, to transfer an ATV between private parties. So, let's fill out the real form together. Start with the sale amount, then describe the ATV, the year, the make, the model, and the body type. New Mexico's form also has room for the license plate or registration number and the engine number, so fill in whatever applies to yours. Then the odometer reading, the exact number, not a rounded guess, and mark that it is the actual mileage. Now the parties. Enter the seller, Anna Baker, with her full street address, city, state, and zip. Then the buyer, Ben Carter, with his. Enter each name exactly as it appears on the person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can hold up the transfer later. And if a line doesn't apply, write NA rather than leaving it blank. Finally, the seller and the buyer each print their name and the date. New Mexico says this form must be notarized, so sign it in front of a notary. Don't sign it early at the kitchen table. Then make a copy so each side keeps a signed one. This is general information, not legal or tax advice.